we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
Stuck choosing between the Nikon 18-140mm zoom and the Canon 100mm macro lens? This is a tough one. It's like deciding whether you need a reliable SUV or a high-performance sports car.
The Nikon looks like a fantastic all-rounder, but I wonder, is the image quality really going to satisfy someone who wants to print large, detailed photos?
Don't underestimate it. It's not just for snapshots. Think about capturing a wide shot of a scenic vista, then zooming in to 140mm to isolate a bird perched on a branch. Plus, it has vibration reduction, giving you 4 stops of image stabilization.
True, but the Canon, that L designation, just screams professional quality. But at almost 3 times the price, is it worth it for someone who just wants to dabble in macro photography?
That's the key question. Let's break it down.
Okay, so the Nikon's 18-140mm zoom range is incredibly versatile. You're covering wide-angle landscapes to decent telephoto reach. Perfect for travel, family events, you name it, but as you said, it's a jack of all trades. The aperture ranges from f/3.5 to f/5.6, so low light might be a challenge.
Exactly. The Canon, on the other hand, is a specialized tool for precision. That 100mm focal length and f/2.8 aperture, combined with image stabilization, lets you capture stunning macro shots. Imagine photographing the stamen of a flower with incredible sharpness, or the compound eye of an insect.
But remember, the Canon is primarily a macro lens. While it can be used for portraits, it's not ideal for landscapes or action shots. You're limited to that 100mm focal length.
So what about image quality? Both are renewed lenses, but what can buyers expect?
Both lenses are renewed, meaning they've been inspected and restored. The Nikon has over 800 reviews with a 4.7-star rating, suggesting high customer satisfaction. The Canon has fewer reviews, but still holds a solid 4.5 stars.
So if you're looking for a single lens that can handle a wide range of shooting situations, and you want a good value, the Nikon is a solid choice.
But if you're passionate about macro photography and demand exceptional image quality and sharpness, and you're willing to invest more, the Canon is the clear winner. It's a true L-series lens, built for professionals.
Ultimately, it comes down to your priorities and budget. Consider what you shoot most often and how much you're willing to spend. Now go out there and make some amazing images. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.